Take a look at this appealing 2-bedroom cottage in South Kingstown, where you'll find hours of maritime enjoyment for a truly Rhode Island way of living. A boat ramp around the corner lets you embrace the day with paddleboarding and unhurried canoe rides, while a small beach presents picturesque sandbars where the river meets Narragansett Bay. Approach the main entry and step into the gracious living room with a bright and warm atmosphere via laminate floors and a big picture window. The open floor moves you right into the remodeled kitchen, lending fresh workspaces and crisp, clean cabinetry. Just steps away, you discover the combined mudroom and laundry room, presenting fabulous opportunities for reimagining as a small office, a reading nook, or an intimate dining space. Walkout access lets you step outside to the totally fenced backyard, boasting an impressive lot size for this desirable area, as well as mature trees and a bonus shed. Move back indoors and step into the property's 2 bedrooms, offering cozy and comfy spaces with natural light to recharge after an ambitious day on the water. A full tile bath with a glass-enclosed shower nicely rounds out the sleeping quarters, making this lovely home equally ready for memorable days with family and friends or for quiet time in soul-soothing solitude. South Kingstown is home to some of the state's finest beaches, including East Matunic and Green Hill Beach. Restock supplies in downtown Wakefield, jump on the South County Bike Path, or enjoy a fresh seaside meal in Matunic. You'll be less than 10 minutes to the Saunderstown Yacht Club. Wickford Harbor charms with seaside views, while community and gentle surf await at North Kingstown Beach. Just 15 minutes north, you can catch the commuter rail at Wickford Junction for access to Providence, Boston, and beyond. For more information, contact Jonathan Daly-LaBelle at area code 401-741-3820.